Hello, this is a quick recording on how I do the pages in the IDS magazine. So first thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and create a page, and I already know what size it is supposed to be, so it's going to be 2,550 by 3,300. That's a regular PDF page. So once it opens up, we can start adding our stuff. My internet is a bit slow here, so. Okay, so we have our first page ready to go here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a background, and the one that I've been using is the smoke. So I clicked on it, it put it over here. Then I'm going to right click and I'm going to do set image as background. Okay, so that gives me my background to my page. I'm going to go ahead and add my photos, which I already know. The first one is going to be Destiny, so I'm just going to click through. I've uploaded them already, so I'm going to click through here and add them to the page. Okay, and then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and drop in another shape, and I'm going to use this shape right here, a square. Okay, so I'm going to change the color of it to orange. Then I'm going to resize it. Okay, then I'm going to drop some text on here. So I'm going to add a heading. And that heading, I'm going to change my size to 100. And then I'm going to move it up over here on top of my text bar. Then I'm going to add a subheading. Okay, so my heading, just click in there, is going to be Destiny Lachey. And my subheading is going to be Bollinger, Texas. Okay, just going to kind of clean this up just a little bit, scoot that down so it looks like it's in the center. I like that. Okay, and then I'm going to take and click on the background. Then I'm going to hold my shift key and I'm going to click on the text. That's going to create just those being highlighted. Then I'm going to go up here and put group. So that's going to make that one thing so that I can move that around pretty easy. Alright, so I'm going to put her name up here. Then I'm going to resize all my images to where I like them. So it's kind of like that. I'll put this one up here. This one down here. And we've got this one in the background. So I'm going to make this one a little smaller. Looks a little more reasonable there. Okay. And if I needed to move something around, I could do, like if I clicked on this back one and I right clicked and bring it to front, it would put it on top of everything else. But I don't like that, so I'm going to click it again and I'll put send to back, so that'll send it to the back. Okay, so that's pretty easy. So her page is done. Now I'm going to duplicate that page. So now I have another page. And then I'm going to select all of her photos, delete them, and I'll go back to my upload, and I will start adding Arabella's 5 photos. Okay, so there she is. So then I'm going to start just dropping these into place where I like them. She's so cute. Okay, we'll put this one over here. And then shrink this one down. Put it in here. Okay. So I like that. Of course, I need to click on my nameplate. Then I'm going to right click, bring it to front. I'm going to double click on Destiny and put Arabella Abbott. Change Bollinger to Eveline. Okay, so that's 2 pages really quick, and it was not a pain in the butt to deal with all the other stuff that you have to deal with when you deal with desktop publishing. So we've got that. Then I just keep going until I've got all the pages that I want. And what's great about this is I can then go to download, and I can change the file type to print PDF. So it's going to give me a high quality PDF, and literally just hit the down button. It's going to take a second to put those 2 pages together. But that's it. I mean, there's not a whole lot more to that. So you can add all the pages. So if you have 30 pages or whatever, then that's all you have to do is keep adding the pages. So that's going to take a minute to download. So I'm not going to wait to show you what the PDF looks like, because you know what a PDF looks like. It's just going to have page 1 is going to be that, page 2 is going to be that, and then even in any type of a PDF application, I can move those around. But the bottom line is, if I want this page to be number 1, then I would just move it up here. Okay, so now I've got number 1 page, number 2 page, and then of course if I would have had to go in and put a cover page here too. So I could create another page, move it up, and then this would be whatever I'm gonna use as my cover page. So that'd be cover page, page 1, page 2, and then of course when you're doing magazines, you usually have to have 4 pages, multiples of 4 pages. So you just want to make sure that you have enough pages as you go along. Alright, well, let's see. It's almost done. I'll wait just a few more seconds, and it's going to be done. So I'll open it up, and it should show me the PDF. So there's the PDF, ready to go to print. Pretty cool.